Hello class 9. Welcome to the first session of history class. I am your history teacher, Mrs. Preeti Das. Children, today I am going to teach you the first chapter of history, the Harappan civilization. But first, let us know what is civilization. The term civilization comes from the Latin word civis, meaning someone who resides in a town. Civilization is a progressive phase of all-round development of people living within a given territory. When man began to live in cities and when he began to think of improving his life, it marked the dawn of civilization. Some of the important features of civilization are rise of towns and cities, surplus food production, development of trade, advancement in the field of science and technology, development of script. With the passage of time, population increased, so man's needs increased and small villages grew into towns and cities. Many new skills, crafts and occupations also developed. Exchange of goods and food grains started. As a result, trade developed. All this brought a new lifestyle of the people and thus marked the beginning of civilization. Children, you already know that copper was the first metal discovered by man. Later, copper was mixed with tin or zinc to produce bronze. The first civilization that flourished around the world around 2500 BC are known as Bronze Age civilization. These are the Egyptian civilization, the Mesopotamian civilization, the Chinese civilization and the Indus Valley civilization. Today we are going to study about the Indus Valley civilization which grew on the banks of river Indus in the areas of modern Pakistan and northwest India. On the map, you can see areas of Harappan civilization with green color. The two important cities of this civilization were Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. The Indus Valley civilization is the first known urban civilization of India. It is also known as Harappan civilization as Harappa was the first site to be discovered. Sir John Marshall was a prominent British Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India. Under his guidance only, the site of Harappan civilization were excavated. Dayaram Sahani was an Indian archaeologist under whose supervision the site of Harappa was discovered in 1921, whereas Mohenjo-daro was discovered under the supervision of another Indian archaeologist, Rakhal Das Banerjee, in 1922. Before the discovery of this civilization, it was believed that the history of India began with the coming of Aryans.